It's pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and you can see a lot of other AI generated stuff that other people in the application have generated. So as you can see, a lot of them, you can scroll and look at a few that they have generated at the top on this option here. As you can see, this is pretty much what's been generated. You can see the prompt that they have used. You can go ahead and save it to your device. You can share it with your friends and family. You can add it as a favorite by just tapping on the heart icon here. Nothing much. If you do tap on the more option, you can see even a more detailed prompt as it relates to this video. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you can create your own image or AI video by just tapping on the AI creation section here. Be able to go ahead and generate your own video, your own AI image. And also their new feature, which is the AI audio creation or music just from text. So here be able to tap on the option here. So we're taking a look at this one. At the top here, be able to select the model that you want to use. As you can see here, you have quite a lot of models which you can use, the popular ones that everyone's probably using. As you can see here, version 2.1, you have Clean AI, you have Sora 2, Google Veo 3. You have the popular ones that everyone knows. So all you have to do is just select the one that you want to use. Do keep in mind some of them may have the lock or the lock icon over here. That pretty much means you're going to need a subscription to be able to use those. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select this option here. And as you can see here, this is the sample video of this model here. So as you can see there, and as well, I can enter the prompt. Prompt should go here, and your starting or ending frame, if you want one, as you can see here, it's optional. You don't have to add any starting frame of the video, and the ending. Don't have to do that, guys. So as well, do keep in mind that this one going to need subscription to unlock the seconds or how long the video you want to generate. So you only can generate 2 seconds. So do keep that in mind, and you're gonna check the credits. The credits, like 40 credits, they generate the 2-second video. And as well, the aspect ratio, as you can see here, we have all of them for free. So you can choose whichever one you want. And as well, we have some other options down here. As you can see here, you can fix the camera, can make it public. Well, you don't have to make it public. So it scans here. All of these are optional, guys. You don't have to enter anything here. As it relates to the resolution, can improve the resolution to 180p, and it doesn't affect the credits. So that's really pretty much it for that there. I'm gonna enter something random, nothing much. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna tap on generate here, generate video. As you can see, your video is being generated. So it should take a while for a video to be ready. Do give it some time. So that's pretty much it for that there. The image generation section here. Be to enter your prompt, and as well go ahead and select your model. So you just tap on the change option here. Now you can see here all the models which you can use. You have Nano Banana, which you can use for free, and you have the Pro version, which you need subscription to use that one here. You can see a lot of them which you can use. But the ones with the lock icon, as you can see here, you're going to need subscription to use those. So once you have selected the model that you want to use, you can enter your prompt. You can enter cat here. And as well, you can select the aspect ratio. All of these you can use, pretty much are free. And if you want to enter anything here as it relates to these, as you can see here, as you can see. So if you want to enhance your prompt as well, you can enable this feature by just stopping here. And if not, you just disable it. So that's pretty much it for that there. Once you're finished selecting everything, all you have to do is just tap on generate image. So we'll go back into the video generating section. Here, once your video is finished, you'll tap on my video section here. And you should see your video, your generated video. As you can see here, this is the video generated. It's 2 seconds, not long as you can see there. But one thing that I'll let you guys know it has a lot of ads and this play button won't remove. So do keep that in mind as well. The watermark is in the center of the video, so it will be a bit hard to remove. So that's pretty much it for that there. And in the video generating section here, once the video is finished, just tap on my image here, and be able to see the generated image. So as you can see, you can tap on download to pretty much download that image, and you're pretty much good to go. Once you have done that, we'll pretty much go ahead and save to your storage. So nothing much for that. They also keep events as it relates to AI generation, and you do get free credits for this as well. So as you can see here, you get 1,000 credits, 10,000 credits, I should say, 5,000 credits for second place, 2,500 credits for third place. So you can participate and get free credits as well. So in the My Creation section, this is pretty much where you go as well to see all your videos and images generated. If not, you can just select on the image section here for image generated and videos generated, and as well audios. So if I do go back and tap on the audio section here, scans here, can select the option here as tap on this option here and enable the custom mode. Once I enable the custom mode, I'll be able to enter my own lyrics, my own style, the style of the music, the pop, hip hop, whatever the case is, and also the title. If you don't want it to be public, you can disable this here, and you're pretty much good to go. So always take into consideration to how much credits you're gonna need to generate each video, each image, anything at all on the application, basically. So if I tap on this at the top here, you can see how much credit you have remaining. So I currently have 25 credits, and all I have to do is tap on get more option here to get more credit. So once you get their subscription, you'll be able to get a certain amount of credits. As you can see here, they do tell you how much credit you'll be getting once you purchase their subscription. So as you can see, the prices for their subscription, you have a monthly subscription, and all of them are pretty much different. You have a starter monthly pack, you have a creator monthly pack, and you have a premium monthly pack. As you can see, I do get 200 credits per month. So that's really pretty much it for that. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you.